Dear students of class 10, welcome to you all in mathematics class. Today I am going to discuss about another trigonometrical problem. Uh, you can see it here. Question 3. P equal to cos theta plus sin theta and Q is equal to cos theta minus sin theta. Question number A is prove geometrically that P is greater than 0 where theta is an acute angle. Question B, if P is equal to root 2 into P minus sin theta, then prove that Q is equal to root 2 into P minus cos theta. And question C is show that 1 minus Q divided by P minus 1 equal to cos theta by 1 minus sin theta. Now pause the video and try to solve this question by yourself. Solve this question using your brain. Only one hint I can give you is you have to prove problem A geometrically, that is, you cannot use another trigonometric formula for proving question A, uh, that is P is greater than 0. You have to prove it by using geometric figure and the basic trigonometric ratio. So you can use the figure I have drawn in the screen, or you may use another figure to solve this question. So I hope that you have tried by yourself, and I hope that you have completed your attempt, or completed you have tried your best to solve the problem, and some of you may be succeed to solve it, some of you may not be succeed to solve the problem. So I will give you one type of solution here. Uh, you can see for problem number A, I have drawn a figure. OX is a ray and OA is another ray, and R is a point of OA. I have drawn a perpendicular from R to M, uh, from R to OX, and the perpendicular is RM, and we have considered ROM as the acute angle theta. So this is our geometric figure, and now from this figure we are going to prove that P is greater than 0, that is cos theta plus sin theta is greater than 0 when theta is an acute angle. Now first what to do, where to start? We know that trigonometry is talking about a uh, triangle which or a right angle triangle. Trigonometry is always involved with some right angle triangle. So we have drawn a right angle triangle here, that is ROM. And now for acute angle theta, we have to prove that sin theta plus cos theta is greater than 0. Now to start, you have to think where to start. Suppose that you have not done this, you have not solved this kind of problem in your entire life. So where to start now? Now if I would the examinee, and I if I would have to uh, solve the problem, so I would think like this, and there is a greater than sign here. So in this triangle I have to find out a property uh, which is involved with greater than. So in a triangle, uh, there is a property that sum of two sides is greater than the third side. So I will start from there. sum of two sides, that is OM plus RM, is greater than OR. And now you can see that I have started here. Let us take a right angle triangle ORM, where ROM is theta, an acute angle. Now, according to law of triangle OM, this OM plus RM is greater than OR, because OR is the greatest side, or OR is the hypotenuse. Now, since OR is the length of hypotenuse, so OR is greater than 0. Now we have to find some ratio, in which ratio we will have sine theta and cos theta. Look at this expression. OM is the uh, base and RM is the perpendicular. So if we divide OM by hypotenuse and RM by hypotenuse, then we will get base by hypotenuse and perpendicular by hypotenuse. Base by hypotenuse means cos theta, uh, and perpendicular by hypotenuse means sin theta. So if we divide this equation is inequality by OR, then we will get sin theta and cos theta at the left side. And by this we can say OR is greater than 0. OR is greater than 0, and so we can divide the whole inequality by OR, because we know that if OR was negative, then we could not divide the inequality by OR, because an inequality will be changed if I divide this inequality with negative number. So we have divided this inequality with OR, because OR is greater than 0, and by dividing by OR, we will get OM by OR plus RM by OR is greater than 1. Now you will get sin theta plus cos theta is greater than 1, because OM by OR is cos theta and RM by OR is sin theta. So uh, if we put the value, we will get sin theta plus cos theta is greater than 1. Therefore P is greater than 1. So what we had to prove is P is greater than 0. If P is greater than 1, then P is certainly greater than 0. I think you are clear about the proof. Now I am going to solve problem number 3b. I hope that you have tried at least once to solve this problem by yourself. Then if you cannot solve this problem, please try one more time, pausing the video, and then come to the video to see the solution. That will help you better. Now I think that you have already tried this problem to solve by yourself. Now let's take a look what technique have I used to solve this problem. Look at here, solution 3b. uh, in the stem we are given that P is equal to sin theta plus cos theta. We take it as equation 1, and Q is equal to cos theta minus sin theta. We take it as equation 2. Now look at here, P is equal to root 2 into P minus sin theta. It is given in the question B. this line is given in question in the stem, q is equal to cos theta minus sin theta. This is also given in the stem, and in the question we are given that p is equal to root 2 into p minus sin theta. What we need to prove is that q equal to root 2 into p minus cos theta. Now look at p. If we subtract sin theta from p, then it will be it will result only cos theta. So uh, p minus sin theta means cos theta. So actually we are given that p is equal to root 2 cos theta, and we have to prove that q is equal to root 2 sin theta, because p minus cos theta is equal to sin theta. So we can say that is equal to root 2 cos cos theta. Given this, q is equal to root 2 into p minus cos theta, that is root 2 into sin theta. We have to prove this. Now you can see what is the technique of proving, and the super easy and super popular technique of solving this problem is uh, like I'm showing it to it now, like this. uh, p is equal to root 2 p minus sin theta, or p means sin theta plus cos theta, and root 2 sin theta plus cos theta minus sin theta, because putting the value of p we will get this, and then we get sin theta plus cos theta equal to root 2 cos theta. Now we have to find out the value of root 2 sin theta, and we have to prove that root 2 sin theta is equal to q, or we have to find out the value of q, that is cos theta minus sin theta, which will be uh, root 2 sin theta, and it will make us to prove that. Now if you take cos theta at the right side, you will get sin theta equal to root 2 cos theta minus cos theta. And then if you take sin theta is equal to cos theta is, if you take cos theta as common factor here, you will get cos theta into root 2 minus 1. Now multiply root 2 plus 1 at the both side, then you will get root 2 plus 1 sin theta is equal to root 2 plus 1 into root 2 minus 1 cos theta. Now this will give you, multiplying root 2 plus 1 with sin theta, you will get root 2 sin theta plus 1 plus sin theta, and if you multiply these two terms, you will get 2 minus 1 into cos theta. Then root 2 sin theta equal to cos theta minus sin theta. Now we need to uh, find the value of root 2 sin theta. Root 2 sin theta means root 2 into p minus cos theta. We can say that root 2 sin theta is equal to p minus cos theta, because uh, p is equal to sin theta plus cos theta, and if we subtract cos theta from p, we will get sin theta. Therefore p minus cos theta equal to sin theta. So root 2 sin theta is equal to root 2 p minus cos theta, and cos theta minus sin theta is given as q. So q is equal to root 2 into p minus cos theta, uh, which was our target to prove. And now you can see it is very easy, uh, but one thing is very confusing here, and that we have multiplied root 2 plus 1 at the both sides all on a sudden. How could we realize that if I multiply root 2 plus 1 at the both side, then it will lead us to the proof. This is the problem of this kind of solution. If you not solved this math before in this way, then it may be impossible for you to remember that you have to multiply root 2 minus 1 at the both side to solve it. So one technique is, whenever you get root 2 minus 1 or root 3 minus root 2, like these terms, root 3 minus root 2, root 4 minus root 3, roots 2 minus root 1, two consecutive numbers with root, then you have to multiply and divide with the uh, conjugate number, conjugate irrational number, like root 2 minus root 1, its conjugate is root 2 plus root 1. If you change the sign given in the middle, or sign of the lowest term, then you will get the conjugate term. So we have here root 2 minus root 1, we have to multiply with root 2 plus root 1 at the both side. If you multiply it, then you will get some uh, uh, opposite sign in the middle, some ratio with opposite side in the middle, like you have minus here, it will convert it into plus. So this is the technique. You have used this kind of technique in your chapter 3 algebra, algebra of chapter 3. In like you have used like this, x equal to uh, x equal to root 3 minus root 2, then 1 by x equal to like x square minus 1 by x square equal to what? This kind of question you have answered in your algebra, and uh, in your algebra you have got this kind of problems, and to solve this kind of problems, first you have written like 1 minus x is equal to, sorry, 1 by x equal to 1 by uh, root 3 minus root 2, like this. Then you have multiplied denominator and numerator with root 3 plus root 2 to change the sign. You have got root 3 minus root 2 here. If you multiply it root 2 plus root 3 plus root 2 at the denominator and numerator, you will get at last you will get at the end of calculation, you will get uh, like root 3 plus root 2, this kind of thing. So I think you are you have understood the problem, why we have multiplied root 2 plus root 1 in both sides. But sometimes it is very complicated to understand this kind of uh, technique, or recall this kind of technique to use in the exam hall if you are not prepared very well, or if you are not practiced, you have not practiced this same kind of problem at your home. So at that time, what to do? Is there any way? Yes, you have some way. Always trigonometry gives you some way to solve the math using your own technique. So I have had some problem uh, with this when I went to solve this math by my own method. I could not understand that root 2 plus root 1 multiplying by root 2 plus root 1 both side will give me the answer. So I had another technique to solve this math, which is not usual, but I am going to show you this. alternative. Okay, we are given that p is equal to root 2 p minus sine theta, and sine theta plus cos theta is equal to uh, root 2 cos theta. From here, p is equal to root 2 p minus sine theta. We can go putting the value of p, we can get sine theta plus cos theta is equal to root 2 cos theta. Now tan theta plus 1 is equal to 2 root 2. How? We have we have divided the whole term with cos theta. We have divided whole term with cos theta. Sorry, we have divided the whole equation with by cos theta. Uh, Sin theta by cos theta will give you tan theta. Cos theta by cos theta will give you 1, and root 2 cos theta by cos theta is equal to root 2. So, who allowed me to divide by cos theta? Because cos theta might be 0. So, why could I divide this equation by cos theta? So cos theta will not be 0 for this case, because we have given that p equal to, that is sin theta plus cos theta is equal to root 2 cos theta. If cos theta would be 0, then sin theta is also be 0. If you uh, sorry, if cos theta is 0, then you can see that sin theta is immediately become 0. So everything is possible if cos theta is 0. So we have to take that cos theta is not equal to 0, that is theta is not equal to 90 degree. So we can say that tan theta plus 1 equal to root 2, or we can say that tan theta is equal to root 2 minus 1. Now I why I have uh, converted this equation in tan theta form? Because you can see that here we have two terms sin theta and cos theta, and here we have two terms sin theta and cos theta at the q. We have in p in equation 3 we have only sin theta and cos theta, and what to prove? Q is equal to root 2 into p minus cos theta, which is q is equal to root 2 sin theta, and there is also cos theta minus sin theta equal to root 2 sin theta. So always we have got cos theta and sin theta, and q can be converted into tan form, and also p can be converted into tan form. So tan is the our key term to convert sin theta and convert in sin theta and cos theta at any time. So we have taken we from two terms we have converted in one term, is tan theta. Here we have two different terms sin theta and cos theta, and now we have converted it like this. We have now only one term tan theta, uh, tan theta. So if I can express tan theta by use tan theta at the q, it will must give me the um, right side. So now we will start from the right side, left side. Left side is given as q, and q is equal to cos theta minus sin theta. Now our target is converting this equation in tan theta, but at the right side we have got root 2 into p minus cos theta, that is root 2 sin theta. So sin theta is a factor of right side. So I am going to make sin theta as common. That is, we will divide cos theta by sin theta and sin theta by sin theta, and as we have divided by sin theta both terms, to balance it we will multiply this term with a sin theta. So this is the way to take sin theta as common factor from the two expressions. from dividing cos theta by sin theta and dividing sin theta by sin theta, then with the whole term we will multiply sin theta. That is, or you can say we have taken common the term sin theta. Now from here you can say, you can see cos theta by sin theta is equal to cot theta, and sin theta by sin theta equal to 1, and we have sin theta as a factor. Now we have to put the value of tan theta at the right side, at the left, at this expression somehow. But we have cot theta here, we don't have tan theta, so uh, we will convert this cot theta in tan. So you can say that we already know that uh, cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta, so we have converted cot theta in tan theta. Now what we have to do is 1 by root over 2 minus 1, minus 1, that is, we have put the uh, value of tan theta here, root 2 minus 1, and we have got a sin theta from the beginning. Now we can say we have root 2 minus 1 here, and we got 1 minus root 2 plus 1, as we taken the sum of these two terms, and sin theta here. And now we will get 2 minus root 2 divided by root 2 minus 1 from this fraction, and sin theta right side. Now if you take root 2 as common factor of numerator, we will get root 2 minus 1 at the numerator and root 2 minus 1 at the denominator also, and sin theta here. And after cancelling the root 2 minus 1 from denominator and numerator, you will get root 2 sin theta here, and this will give you root 2 into p minus cos theta equal to right hand side. So this was my technique to prove when I could not remember this line, root 2 plus 1 is to be multiplied at both sides. See here, you don't have to you don't have to uh, recall any unwanted or any heavenly thing here to multiply the equations or something. Uh, all you need to do is only go through the technique by your common sense. So trigonometry gives you option to use your own method and use your own technique to solve very complicated problems, uh, which might be looked at, which might be appear as very complicated for you, uh, but you may do it, or you may solve it in your own way. So this was the second problem I have solved. Now we are going to third problem, that is 3c. In 3c we have to show that 1 minus q and divided by p minus 1 equal to cos theta divided by 1 minus sin theta. So I hope as you followed my lecture still now till now, and you have to solve this problem using your brain, uh, using your own method, then come to see what technique I have used to solve this problem. Please pause the video and give it a try. So now I hope that you all have tried the problem C by your own method. Now look at here, I have solved problem 3C using my own method, which is like, we are given that p is equal to sin theta plus cos theta, which is 1, and q is equal to cos theta minus sin theta, which is equation 2. Now we have to show that 1 minus q divided by p minus q equal to cos theta by 1 minus sin theta. Now here is also a very unique technique. 1 minus left side, in left side we have 1 minus q divided by p minus q. So put the value of q and put the value of p, and you will get 1 minus cos theta plus sin theta, because q is equal to cos theta minus sin theta, and it is having a minus sign before q. So the sign will be converted into opposite sign, that is 1 minus cos theta and plus sin theta here, and p is equal to sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Now how to solve this? Look at the right side. At the right side we have cos theta divided by 1 minus sin theta. So we can say surely that at some point calculating if you start calculating the left side, at some point we will get cos theta by 1 minus sin theta. At some point you will get the right side. So uh, to make this math easy, this kind of math easy, you can write this cos theta by 1 minus sin theta. You can multiply this with left side. As you multiply this cos theta by 1 minus sin theta, you have to balance it. So you multiply 1 minus sin theta with the numerator and cos theta with the denominator. By this multiplying the opposite fraction, you may balance it. Now keep this part unchanged and only calculate this part. It will lead you to the point. You can see that if you calculate this like this, and you will get 1 at some point, and thus you can say that equal to cos theta by 1 minus sin theta equal to right side. Whenever you can see this kind of problem, show that something is equal to something, some fraction is equal to some another fraction, or something at the left side at another thing at the right side. If you go through this kind of technique, I can assure you that you can solve it very easily. And whether you have practiced it at your home, or you don't have, you might not practice it at home, but you can easily solve it. Just multiply the right side with the left side, then balance it. Keep the term which is at the right side same, only calculate the remain side, then you will get 1, which will give you the right side. So I will not explain it to you. Please pause the video and see what I have done for calculation here. And next next video, at the next video, I will try to uh, figure out another type of problem which is very common in S.S.C exam, uh, which is type 2 problem, you can say. And see you then. Up to then, thank you, and thank you very much for watching this class and participating in this class.